Have you heard that a complete video can be made and posted to TikTok while you sleep? I'm sure you have. In today's video, I will show you exactly how these automated agents are made. Many of you probably already use this kind of automation, but just as many have only heard about it. While it is possible to build a 100% hands-off automation, a bit later I will explain why I actually prefer a semi-automated method, keeping it around 95% hands-off. Please let me know in the comments if you are interested in these kinds of videos. Just type yes or no. Seeing a no is honestly just as important to me as seeing a yes. If I see one yes and nothing else, I don't really know if the majority of you want to see automation videos or not. But if I see one yes and 5 no's, it makes it very clear what you guys prefer. Okay, let's take a look at how this is built. The first block is the trigger. The run mode is currently set to on demand, meaning I have to start the process manually. If you want a hands-off workflow, you switch it to scheduled run mode and add a schedule. Here in the pop-up, you can set up your schedule, and the agent will run automatically based on that. The next block is for music generation. Since MindStudio doesn't have a native music generator block, I had to create a workaround using an ElevenLabs API key. This block runs the custom function I created. Here is the script. Here is my ElevenLabs API key. Here's the prompt for ElevenLabs, and the music length in milliseconds. And right here is a very important thing. We save it to the variable song_audio. If you are new to automations, what exactly is a variable? It's basically a container. We generate a file, put it in this container, and give it a name like song_audio. Now the workflow remembers it, and we can use it in the next steps. The next block is generate image. We give it a prompt to create the first frame of our video. The output is saved to the variable base_image. If you look at the model settings, I use Kling image 03, but you can click here and choose from many other AI models. Next is the generate video block. This is where we see the variable in action. Instead of uploading an image file, in the first frame image field, we type our variable name in curly brackets. Base_image. We give it the prompt for the animation, and it saves the video to the Kling_video variable. Just like with the image, you can click here and change the video generation model to something else. Kling adds its own random audio noise to the video, so we need to remove it. In the mute video block, we input the Kling_video variable. It removes the sound and saves it as muted_video. Next, we mix our audio and video. In the mix audio into video block, the video URL is muted_video, and the audio URL is song_audio, the music we generated in the first step. The combined result is saved as final_master. Because AI generates different dance moves and outfits every time, we need a caption that actually matches the specific video. We pass our final_master variable to the analyze video block. The AI watches the video, describes exactly what it sees, and saves it to the video_analysis variable. Then we have the generate text block. It reads the video_analysis variable and writes a TikTok caption with trending hashtags based on the actual video content. We save this text as social_caption. Finally, the post video block. Earlier I talked about my 95% hands-off method, but if you want a 100% automated workflow, you use this block. See these error notifications? Switch connection from dynamic to connect a new account. Once your TikTok is connected, they will disappear and it publishes the video automatically. Just put the final_master variable in the video URL field and the social_caption in the caption field. So why don't I use this autopost block myself? Why do I prefer the 95% hands-off method I mentioned earlier? There are two main reasons. First, when you post through an API, TikTok, YouTube, and other platforms can clearly see that the video was auto-posted. There are opposite points of view on how this affects performance, but many believe algorithms don't like automated content and will restrict your reach. I simply don't want to risk it. Second is quality control. AI generation is unpredictable. I want to make sure the video actually looks good before it goes live on my account. I don't want to wake up and find out I automatically published a video where a dancer has 3 legs or 2 heads. Because of that, for my own workflow, I delete the post video block. Instead, I use a send email or display content block. The automation still does 95% of the work. It generates the music, the video, analyzes it, and writes the caption. But instead of publishing it, I come here, get the video and captions, and then publish it manually. To do so, simply delete the post video block, click on the plus icon, and add a display content block. This is how you add pre-built blocks or connectors. There are a lot of ready-to-use blocks here. And here are the connectors. As you can see, there are different ElevenLabs connectors available, but the one I wanted, the music generator, is missing. That's why I had to create that custom function. When you add the display content block, you just type the variables of what you want to see right here. And here are the videos you get. Of course, K-pop dance videos are just one thing you can create. You can replace the prompts and generate something totally different. You can remove the song generator and create videos with dialogue and so on. Okay, let me know in the comments with a yes or no if you want to see more of these kinds of videos. That's all for today. Until the next one.